Hello and welcome back to listeners. Today I come with these battle math questions. So two questions. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer to feature in our sort out list. First, what we have minus 2 plus 2 into 6. So first we have to solve this numerator. Then we will divide again with 4. Okay. So what we have in numerator minus 2 plus 2 into 6. We will write PEMDAS here. First we will do this multiplication operation. So first we will do this. Don't do like minus 2 and plus 2 which equal to 0 into 6 which equals to 0 and 0 by 4 is equal to 0. So here this is the wrong way. So try to solve with the help of PEMDAS. We will rewrite minus 2 plus 2 into 6. First we will do this multiplication operation, that is 6 times 2, that is equal to 12. So we will write 12 and minus 2 plus 12 which equals to 10. Okay, so this is the numerator part. So we will rewrite here 10 by 4 as simplest form. So this is not simplest, so we will solve again. 2 times 2, 5, that is equal to 5 by 2 which is the right answer, or you can say 2.5. Okay, coming to the next question. 8 divided by 2 parenthesis 2 plus 2. Okay, so if you think 8 divided by 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4, and 8 divided by 8 which equals to 1, then you are wrong. So try to solve with the help of PEMDAS. Okay, so what we have to do, this operation not good, so we will rewrite again 8 divided by 2 into 4. First we have to solve this division part because division and multiplication is same priority. So first we have to solve 8 divided by 2, that is equal to 4. So we will write 4 times 4, and 4 times 4, that is nothing but 16. So here 16 is the right answer. Try to solve with this battle math question, and thanks for watching and subscribe channel for more videos like this.